Good morning, students. Today we begin with the lesson number 10, that is disaster management. Let us first understand what is a disaster. You can see some pictures on the screen of flood, cyclone, rail accident, earthquake, forest fire. So these are some examples of disasters. Disasters take place suddenly and do not give us time to tackle them or to stop them from occurring. They result in loss of life as well as property. Several people lose their lives and their loved ones are left disturbed throughout their lives. People even lose their hard-earned money. There is no transportation, no communication. There is even shortage of food and water. We can say that a disaster is a serious disruption occurring over a short or long period of time, and that which causes widespread loss of property and life. There are long-term effects of a disaster on society due to the incidences of life and property loss. Various areas of life like economic, social, cultural, political, law and administration are also affected. The life of the area of disaster is totally disturbed. Earlier, we have studied various types of disasters and the measures that need to be taken against them. We also know that none of the disasters are similar. Period of each disaster is also not same. Some disasters are long term, whereas some of them are short term. Reasons behind each disaster are also different, and hence each disaster requires a different approach for tackling it, saving lives of people as well as property. We are familiar with several types of disasters. Let us discuss about some of these disasters that we have heard about. You all must have definitely heard about the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami that occurred with an epicenter off the west coast of northern Sumatra and Indonesia. There were a series of massive tsunami waves that grew up to 30 meters, that is 100 feet. Communities along the coasts of Indian Ocean were severely affected, and the tsunami killed an estimated of 2,27,898 people in 14 countries, making it one of the deadliest natural disasters recorded in history. Apart from this, we have the Gujarat earthquake that took place on 26th of January 2001 at Bhuj, which killed about 20,000 people. Apart from this, we have several examples of other disasters, like the one which occurred in the early hours of June 17, 2013, which was a flash flood which came down upon the overflowing banks of the Chorabari Lake in Uttarakhand. It carried huge amounts of silt and rocks and destroyed lives, houses, and everything else that came its way. We are even aware of the 26/11 terrorist attack, which was also a disaster, but a man-made disaster. Other man-made disasters include the Columbia Space Shuttle disaster, the air crashes, railway accidents, motor accidents, theft, riots, war, strikes, oil spills, gas leaks. We are familiar with the Bhopal gas tragedy. Similarly, in 2020, we had another gas leak from the styrene tank in Vishakhapatnam, and it killed at least 13 people. So these are examples of some of the disasters. Disasters always result in loss of life as well as property, which are irreparable. Let us learn more about disasters and its management in the next slide.